In this video, we'll show you how to add a Garmin GC200 camera to a BRNKL device. First, ensure that the BRNKL is connected to the Garmin network. To do this, connect the USB Ethernet dongle to the BRNKL device and connect an Ethernet cable from the dongle to the Garmin MFD network. Next, open the BRNKL Device Manager. Navigate to Settings, then select Cameras and click Add Camera. The system will automatically scan the network for available cameras. You should see the Garmin GC200 camera appear in the scan results, along with its IP address. Make note of this IP address, as we will use it in the next step. To ensure reliable operation, the camera must be configured with a static IP address. If the camera remains powered off for an extended period, its IP address may change, which would prevent the BRNKL from reconnecting to it. To set a static IP, using your laptop or mobile device that is also connected via Ethernet to the Garmin network. Another method to connect to the Garmin network is to enable Wi-Fi from your Garmin MFD settings and connect your laptop or mobile device to the Garmin MFD network. Open a web browser and navigate to the camera's IP address that you retrieved from the previous step to access the Garmin camera webpage. Log in using the default Garmin credentials. The default username is admin, and the password is 1234. Once logged in, click Setup, then navigate to Network and select Network Settings. Here, you can configure a static IP address. You can either keep the existing IP address or assign a new one based on your network configuration. You will need to ensure that you set your subnet mask to 255.255.0.0 and your gateway to 172.16.6.0. Once complete, click Save. Next, configure the video stream settings. Set the bitrate mode to constant bitrate and set the bitrate to 2.4 megabits per second. Set the frame rate to 20 frames per second. These settings help reduce bandwidth usage while maintaining good video quality, especially when streaming over an internet connection. Click Save to apply these changes. Now connect your laptop or mobile device to the BRNKL network and connect to the BRNKL Device Manager again. Rescan for cameras. The camera should now appear with its static IP address. Select the camera. When prompted for credentials, enter the camera stream username and password. For most Garmin GC200 cameras, the username is root with no password. Some older Garmin GC200 cameras have a password of 1234. Next, name your camera. For example, we will name it Garmin GC200. Once entered, the camera will be added to the BRNKL. You can now view and configure the camera within the Device Manager. And that is how you add a Garmin GC200 camera to a BRNKL device.